I want to know how you guys are gonna present yourself. Okay. So I'm gonna put up one question, and everybody is gonna take a minute and think about it and give me a one, not like a 1 minute extempore kind of a thing. Like you can talk 1 minute on it. Fine.
Sure.
If you have a superpower in the money world, what would you do?
Superpower like?
It's your choice. You can choose any
The superpower I would prefer if it was in money terms would be to be duplicating money.
That's a very good term.
Duplicate money that's original.
Duplicating the money. It's called, it's not advisable to do that. So I need a 1 minute structured or unstructured or rambling, whatever it is. You just have to talk about it. Okay? Just think, take a minute, and we will put a timer. Yeah. Okay. So Tarak is going to go first. ACD, put the timer for 1 minute.
1 minute starting now.
So, if I had a superpower, I would choose teleportation because I could like travel.
Stop right there. I can hear you, but I want to see you doing it, like expressing it. Can you just stand up? Like, come on.
The superpower, if I had a superpower, I would choose teleportation because I could travel around the world, like Thailand, US, Europe, Paris, France, and I could even like teleport to my school so I don't need to be late, and I'll be like, so I don't get like scoldings and all. And yes, that's it.
That's it?
Yes, that's it.
Okay, great. Very good. So it was right on time. Amazing. Next. Who want to go next? Yes, go on. I can see that excitement. I can see that you want to do it.
Just thinking. I was half minute.
Okay, I can see that excitement on his face. Come on. Come on.
If I had a superpower, I would choose it to be duplication of whatever I want. Because startup for homework sessions at school, I can just duplicate my friend's book, change the name, and I don't have to get scoldings. And on other words, whenever I want a lot of food but I only have little, I can just duplicate that for more. Same thing with money. If I can duplicate money. And if I want a rich car, simple, duplicate.
Siri wants to listen more.
How are you planning to do that?
By my duplication thingy,
Yeah.
just have a kind of circular machine or whatever, you place it on something and it instantly takes the data, and when you put it on the floor, it sounds it.
Oh, we are seeing a future data analyst, or like we are future inventor, like a SpaceX inventor.
It can be used to do things.
Okay, good. Very nice.
If I had a superpower, it would be invisibility because I would be a pro at hide and seek. I could easily prank people, steal stuff.
Okay.
Like I would steal money. Like when people.
Car keys.
Huh?
Car keys.
Yeah.
She can steal a car. Why she need a car keys for
You
that?
need a key to activate the car.
Oh, okay.
I can steal a car. I can steal money when somebody opens the locker.
More than stealing. Yes, next.
And
Okay. Okay. Do you want to add one more power to that?
yeah.
Yes.
If I had one more power, it would be racing, like being fast. because I would win all the races in sports day. I would get like 10 to 12 medals. I can flex on them. Flexing, that's what we are.
But we didn't put the timer now this time, so it's fine.
Hey, you didn't put the time.
Yeah. Come on, Sai.
Good.
If I had a superpower, it would be time traveling because I can go into the future and see what mistakes I do in the future and fix them, and go back into the past and fix my mistakes.
Okay.
And invest in gold and Bitcoin.
Gold and Bitcoin. But you want to go in future and do it, or you want to go past it? Why?
Because gold prices per pound now is 90K.
So you want to go past it? That's a very good invention. We all need. Okay, then that's a superpower you want to have. Okay. More than adding more? Anything? Okay, great.
If I had a superpower, I would get whatever I think of comes to real life. Like if I forget my lunch at home or in school, I'll think of whatever I want, it just comes. Or if I forget my books or something, I just get it back. You can bring back dinos.
Then no human race will be here, right?
You can think of money, you get money. Your power destroys space. Like you can think of diamonds. Chocolates. I want to play with my friend. My friend is. You can't exactly summon humans.
Okay. Then?
The opposite, it will be total chaos. That's it.
Okay, great. Come on. Everybody did amazing. But you know why we did this?
To improve our speaking skills because there's an economic law.
No, not for that.
Our thinking skills
No.
and creative skills.
ourselves.
To analyze ourselves. Okay, fine. Who is going to analyze that?
Ourselves.
Yeah. So, when we were doing the presentation, I was just thinking how good you kids can just imagine and create full structure of sentences in a minute, right? You can just bring your ideas into words. You can put it in words. But did we put it in a structured way?
No.
Did we give it the whole thing as in full sentences and clarity?
Very less time, so we couldn't do that.
Yeah, it's just 1 minute, right? You just have time to put the idea. But what I saw, everybody were great, okay? But there is always a but. What it is?
We didn't do it as models. We didn't do it in structure.
In structure? Okay, what is a structure?
Like a order of a structure means a proper.
We weren't confident enough.
Okay, good.
A proper
Two.
organization of your words and sentences so you can form something meaningful.
Exactly. That is sentence structure. She is talking about the whole speech structure. Okay. So it needs a opening, and there should be a body of the content, like how you write a letter. You cannot just say, I have a superpower and this is it. But where is the opening? Who are you? Right? So you need an introduction, right? So with the given 1 minute, what we could have done is, yeah, I have decided my superpower. It is invisibility. Okay, with that superpower, what I'm going to do? That is second. And I want to keep it simple. I want to keep it engaging. Like how she said, everybody laughed, right? So it was engaging the audience for the talk. So if I'm talking like I had a superpower, that is invisibility. I want to be invisible and do something. And I am sure that is different So will you hear me? No, right? Nobody will be interested in hearing my words or ideas. But if you put it like this, hi, I'm here. Can you see me?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't get my superpower yet. My superpower is invisibility. I'm gonna go invisible and I'm gonna get my superpower. And if I start like a question, can you see me? And everybody is like looking at you. What is he asking about? Right? What is he questioning us about? So the question creates a curiosity for the audience.
So we need to involve more curious and more hilarious questions in our thing.
Hilarious, yes, that's depends on your personality, but you have to create the curiosity first, right? To engage your audience, okay? Number one. Number two, you have to be confident on your topic. He is very confident that he wants to become a
Time traveling.
time traveler. So he was glad he wants to go back and do something. What it is?
Invest in gold.
Invest in gold. He wants to go in future and do what it is.
Fix my mistakes.
So he has a plan. He had a plan in his talk. So he has a structure in his. What is it? The opening was want to become to had a superpower to as a time traveler. Then he wanted to go back and he want to come to the future. So done. It's clear, right? So let's have a clear structure and curiosity. Let's build the curiosity. Number three, our body language. Do you think anybody would look at us and hear us if we talk like, yeah, I didn't do it, but I can go back and come back? Do you think anybody would listen?
So we have to do like, yeah, I can't do that, but I can go and come back.
No, no. That's a lot of language everywhere. We can just keep it minimal. Use our hands, use our eyes. How do you use your eyes? You look there, here,
CCTV.
there, like that? No, we look at the people eyes. Whoever the audience that we have audience here. Right now we four are engaged, but they are not engaged, but still they are looking at us. Why? Because I see everybody, right? We see, and they are also interested in our topic, so they wanted to listen. So you create the curiosity first, you structure your speech, then you create your body language to impress everybody to sit and watch you talking, right? I love the humor that you bring in your speech, but it shouldn't be a lot so that they just remember only your humor, not the, yes, the concept that you are discussing. They should not deviate from the concept, right? They should not move out from the concept. They have to think, okay, that guy wanted to be a time traveler. What he wanted to become? Well, he was talking nicely, but I forgot what he wanted to become. What was it?
Duplicate.
Duplicator, yeah. Do you want that idea for the audience? Do you want the audience to have that idea about you?
No.
What do you want to have?
Maybe like, I want the full focus to be on me.
Exactly. You want to keep the audience focused on you. We are going to do, so we are going to look at the people in their eyes and we are turning our heads 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we are using our hands, but we are not crossing our hands. We should not cross our hands while we talk. We can use our hands to explain the concepts. Like, I want to go back and I want to go to the future. What my hands are doing?
Back and front.
Back and front. So I can explain my concept, right? But I want to go back and I want to come like to the future. Can you relate? right?
Even if you're mistaken, you can.
Yeah, nobody
The body
realizes.
language you can at least understand front and back. But
Exactly.
without
See,
it,
you got the concept, right? Well, we are in the third point. What is the fourth point, do you think?
lack of confidence.
Confidence will come. Yeah, that will work on it by practice.
Good words to use.
Words, vocabulary, okay, that will come by practice.
A complicated vocabulary.
That will come by practice. Clarity. Clarity. If you talk, I want to talk about the superpower that you cannot understand that I'm going to be visible.
Too fast. Too fast.
You know that I want to become a time traveler.
Stutters. Stuttering too slow.
Yeah. And you think I can become a duplicator?
Too much stuttering again.
Exactly. So, words, sentence, pauses, everything matters when you are in a stand. When you are presenting yourself, you have to present as a whole, right? So, your clarity, your structure, your confidence. Your confidence will build as you practice more, as you stand more, as you talk more. But if you practice, your vocabulary will get better and your confidence will get better. For first session, the economic session, if you are presenting, I would like to come and watch. And we're gonna focus on three things. What is it?
Structure.
Structure, clarity,
Body.
Body language.
body language. Can we work on that?
Okay.
Yes?